Most women think men become obsessed with them because of their looks, charm, or even playing hard to get. But the truth? None of that creates a deep, uncontrollable attraction. What truly makes a man obsessed to the point where he can't stop thinking about you is it something obvious. And today, I'm revealing 7 magnetic habits that make a man crave your presence without even realizing why. You've probably never heard about number 4 before, but it's a psychological trigger that will make him chase you harder than ever. And number 1, that one will change the way men see you forever. So which habit do you think is the most powerful? Drop a comment in the comments below and let's get started. 1, the reputation builder habit. There's a deep psychological truth about attraction that most people overlook. Men respect what others admire. Think about it. When you hear people raving about a restaurant, a new show, or even a person, your curiosity spikes. You automatically assume it must be something special. The same applies to you. If people speak highly of you, his attraction automatically increases, and he won't even realize why. But here's the secret. You don't have to brag. Let others do it for you. One subtle way, casual mentions in conversation. Instead of saying, I give great advice, which sounds self-promotional. Say, my friend always tells me I give the best advice, so tell me what's on your mind. See the difference? Now he's thinking she must be insightful. People value her opinion. She's high value. Another way to build your reputation naturally, social media. If your photos, stories, or comments showcase you as fun, kind, successful, or admired by others, he'll subconsciously start seeing you that way too. This is why the most magnetic women are the ones who are admired by their peers, because admiration is contagious. 2, the signature goodbye habit. Most people say bye in the most forgettable way possible. But if you want a man to think about you long after you're gone, you need to leave him with something that lingers. The last few seconds of an interaction carry the most weight. That's why people remember the ending of movies, books, and conversations more than the middle. So instead of saying, bye, see you later, which is generic, say, try not to miss me too much. Playful makes him smile. A wink with no words. Mysterious makes him intrigued. I'll let you get back to your serious, important work. Try not to think about me. Challenging makes him prove he won't. These signature goodbyes create a memory loop in his brain. He'll replay that moment, which keeps his emotions engaged with you long after you've left. 3, the innocent but unpredictable habit. Here's the thing about attraction. It thrives on mystery, but not in the way most people think. It's not about being cold or distant. It's about being unpredictable in an innocent, playful way. Most women stick to predictable patterns. They text the same way, respond with the same energy, and react in ways men can easily anticipate. And when something becomes too predictable, it becomes, well, boring. But if a man can't fully predict you, if he's never quite sure whether you'll be playful, deep, teasing, or mysterious, his brain stays engaged and his attraction to you grows. Here's how you do it. One day, be super affectionate, send a flirty message, compliment him, or drop an inside joke. The next day, be slightly mysterious. Respond with a playful, I'll let you wonder about that, instead of always giving direct answers. Sometimes be the one who ends the conversation first, leaving him wanting more. This subtle unpredictability activates his chase instinct. He starts wondering about you, anticipating your next move, and craving your attention more than ever. And when a man is constantly thinking about what you'll do next, he's already obsessed. 4, the echo effect habit. One of the most powerful yet subtle ways to create deep emotional connection with a man is through what I call the echo effect. This is where you mirror his emotions, not just his words, so he feels completely understood. Why does this work? Because human psychology craves validation. We don't just want someone to hear our words. We want someone to understand our feelings. Here's how to do it. Let's say he says, I had a stressful day. Most people would respond with, oh no, what happened? Which is caring, but doesn't echo his emotion back to him. Instead, say something like, I get that, It sounds like you're carrying a lot right now. See the difference? Instead of just asking for details, you're mirroring his emotion back to him. If he says, I'm really excited about this new job opportunity, instead of just saying, that's awesome, say, I can hear how passionate you are about it. This sounds like such a big deal for you. If he says, I don't know, I just feel off today, instead of saying, why, what's wrong, try, I get that. Some days just feel off, and that's okay. This tiny shift changes everything. He will subconsciously feel safe, validated, and deeply connected to you because you're not just reacting, you're reflecting. 5, the effortless permission habit. Most people, yes, even men, walk through life feeling judged. They filter their words, hesitate before admitting something embarrassing, and hold back parts of themselves for fear of being misunderstood. But when a woman makes a man feel fully accepted, something powerful happens. He lets his guard down. And when a man feels emotionally safe with you, he starts to attach to you in ways he doesn't with anyone else. The trick? Give him effortless permission to be himself. Imagine he admits something silly, like, okay, don't judge me, but I still watch old cartoons when I'm stressed. Most people would tease him, wait, seriously? That's hilarious. Instead, say, that's kind of awesome. Nostalgia is the best stress relief. Instantly, he feels validated, safe, and comfortable. This works for deeper topics too. If he shares a weird dream, a random thought, or an unconventional opinion, instead of reacting with surprise or disagreement, respond in a way that says, I see you, and I like you exactly as you are. This feeling of acceptance is addicting, and he won't even realize he's becoming emotionally drawn to you because of it. 6, the emotional roller coaster habit. Here's a secret. Men don't become obsessed with a woman because she's always nice, always deep, or always fun. They become obsessed when they feel a full spectrum of emotions around her, because that's what keeps them hooked. Think of it this way. If a relationship is too predictable, it becomes boring. And boredom is the enemy of attraction. That's why the most magnetic women know how to mix it up. Playfulness. Tease him in a fun way, challenge him, add a little mischief. Example, if he says, I'm the best at Mario Kart, instead of just laughing, say, oh, please, I destroy you. Are you ready for the humiliation? Vulnerability, be open about your emotions, dreams, and deeper thoughts. Example, instead of always being the cool, composed woman, share a personal story and let him see your heart. Excitement and passion, show enthusiasm about things, get animated, let your eyes light up when you talk about something you love. Example, if he asks about your favorite place to travel, don't just say, I love Italy. Instead, paint a picture. There's nothing like walking through Rome at night. The air is warm, music spills out from tiny cafes, and you feel like you're in a dream. Mystery and depth. Don't always give away everything at once. Keep him intrigued. Instead of revealing everything about yourself up front, let him discover you in layers over time. When a man experiences different emotions with you, he becomes hooked without even knowing why. He'll anticipate seeing you because he knows he'll always feel something new and exciting. And that's how obsession begins. 7, the vanishing act habit, the ultimate obsession trigger. Now here's the ultimate trick to making a man obsessed with you. Give him an amazing moment and then disappear. Why? Because absence creates desire. Think about it. If you have a favorite song, but you hear it on repeat, it loses its magic. But when you hear it unexpectedly after a while, it hits harder. The same goes for your presence. If you're always available, always texting, always there, he won't feel the need to chase. Instead, try this. Have an amazing conversation. Make him laugh. Make him feel connected. Then disappear. Don't text first. Don't be too available. Let him feel your absence. When you give and then pull away, it triggers dopamine in his brain, the same chemical released during gambling and addiction. His mind will start craving that next interaction, even if he doesn't know why. The key, don't ghost him. Just be mysteriously busy. Instead of responding instantly, wait a little. Instead of always initiating plans, let him wonder what you're up to. When a man feels like he's earned your attention, he values it more. And that's when obsession begins. Thanks for watching.